My name is Charles Condon, and I am the Director of Manufacturing. Let's see, Rowdy Mermaid, we are a manufacturer of kombucha. Our mission is to get sustainably sourced plant medicine to as many people as we can. So we really focus on the function of the ingredients that we put into our kombuchas. So it goes beyond kombucha as just a simple product, and we also try to use as many ingredients that have health benefits, just that are good for you. We want to make a beverage that's good for people and is a healthy alternative to basically everything else out there.
Rowdy Mermaid has been in business, I want to say 6.5 years now. We're trying to get probiotics and kombucha to as many people as possible with healthy, flavorful, organic ingredients. For the beginning of the packaging line, it can be a big choke point. The old way we used to do things was hand loading bottles, which meant that however fast you could hand load bottles was how fast you were producing. Now we can produce much faster, even faster than I can make machines run, based on our current SCA decal.
So I bought my canning line through Pneumatic Scale Angeles, and they put together a package of equipment, and the SCA decal was part of that package. I come from the beer industry, so obviously SCA is a really well-known name in that, and I've, spoken to countless brewers that have used one piece of equipment from SCA or another, and they come with a good reputation. So when I saw them as part of the package, I felt very confident about that being the choice. So the choice to go into cans really made a lot of sense for us as a company. Again, a big part of our mission is sustainability, and after doing life cycle analysis and really reading a lot of other people's research and papers on the sustainability of glass versus aluminum, we really decided that aluminum was the right package for us. That was a very easy decision for us because it really is in line with our company mission. Again, also coming from the beer world, I am very pro can. I think that it is a better package for the product.
So before, it was about 6 bottles that you could put on by hand as fast as you could put them on by hand, which is about 18 bottles a minute. Currently we can run up to 120, 130 cans per minute off the decal, which means that we're no longer restricted by how fast someone on the beginning of the line can throw down their bottles manually.
The jump in level of packaging equipment for us was a big one, and I think it took a lot of people by surprise on my team, what a drastic jump we were making. But honestly, overall, the transition was very smooth from our perspective. The new, the bottling line we had really was a much more higher maintenance piece of machinery than what we went to. So even though we're running, 3-4 times the speed, it really takes, I don't want to say less effort, but about the same amount of effort to accomplish that. So. We have extended our shelf life since going into cans, and I do think that cans was part of that, just upgrading the quality of our packaging equipment, but also just like less annoying work. The decal, just to take for example, we hand loaded all of the bottles onto our other machine. We didn't have any sort of depalletizing machine, so that was literally someone's job, was to stand there and take bottles off of a pallet and load them onto a table. So, the decal really allowed us to take an entire person and move them around to somewhere where it was, better use of labor.
We've been able to double production on a daily basis with half the man hours of production. So that's one number that's been great.
Brand new facility for us, yep. We've only been here production has only been here for about maybe 2 or 3 weeks. This move is anticipation and some pretty rapid growth for us. So we're really going to be pushing the pedal to the metal in the next year or 2.
Luckily, with the decal that we bought, it's going to provide us with the beginning of the line for this current canning line that we have and any future canning lines that we might have, just because we bought a decal that does work a little bit faster than our current machinery, so we can expand as we're planning on doing, so that we can produce even more kombucha in a day. We are very happy with our ska decal. I would recommend ska fabricating machinery, ska beer, and ska music.
Perfect.